One how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Switchlight AI photo editor. So first of all you need to open your app. So you can see this is Switchlight app. You just need to wait to get the interface. So you can see the interface like this. So you will get here two version, free and premium. So there are a lot of effects and templates you'll get here. So for example, I'm just going to tap on the start from photo. Then you have to choose the photo. So I'm just going to choose photo, this one, and good photo example, and here you can see they give the example. So proceed. You just need to wait, and after that you'll get here your photos in different background, different place, but not every photos are premium. Some photos are free, some photos are premium. So really excellent. You don't need to change your background with Facebook with Photoshop or other photo editor. You just need to upload your photos, and you will get maybe example if I click here, like it's a pro. So you can see how it looks like. Foreground adjust, you can adjust it. You can uh, download these photos, but it's premium, so you will not able to download. And there are some free photos here. These are free, and some are free, some are paid. Like today's pretty. So you can see how it looks like. So there is a background, it's free, you can download free. So you can use it if you want to buy this app, like their premium version, you'll get all the picture here. So friend, today's no, and see you the next video.